Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: iPhone with iOS Memoji support and the latest WhatsApp. Open Messages to create or customize your Memoji, make expressive faces, change accessories, and save. Once done, open WhatsApp and allow camera and photos access if prompted, because WhatsApp pulls your stickers from the system. Make sure to enable sticker creation in the app. This gets your Memoji assets ready for the next step, adding them into a WhatsApp chat as stickers or live camera overlays. You now transform the saved Memoji into stickers inside WhatsApp. In any chat, tap the emoji icon, then the sticker tab, swipe to the Apple Memoji pack supplied by iOS. Alternatively, switch to camera inside WhatsApp, enable front camera, then tap the effects icon and select your Memoji as a live overlay, record a short clip or take a photo. Once satisfied, trim or pick the best frame, tap Use and Send. This embeds the Memoji into the conversation and stores it in recent stickers. You finish by sending the Memoji as a live overlay or sticker, then confirm it appears in the chat. If you don't see Memoji options, first check settings to ensure Memoji stickers are enabled and WhatsApp has camera and microphone permission. Once done, restart WhatsApp. Make sure iOS keyboard/sticker packs are active. If problems persist, reboot the iPhone, then reinstall WhatsApp as a last resort. This often clears permission caches. One tip: sync iCloud backup only after verifying Memoji works to avoid losing custom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.